Hi, and welcome to the demo of Check My EV, the one platform for all your EV needs. This website contains three major sections: service, reselling, and restoration. You can go on to any section that you would like by clicking on these icons, or you can simply scroll down below and view these sections as you go. We also have a FAQ tab for all the questions that you need answered. You can also check out our explainer video if you are stuck at any time during your process. Now, let's check out the service tab. If you own an electric two-wheeler, then you know that the service and repair for these can be a big hassle. With CheckMyEV, now you can get it done in 3 easy steps as shown on the screen. Let's get started. Once you click on Book Now, you will be redirected to a login page. Because of some of the functionality on our platform, you need to create your own account in order to use all these facilities. You can either log in with your Facebook or your Google account. For the purposes of this demo, I'm going to log in with my Google account. You can simply click on Login with Google, click on the email ID that you wish to use, and done. You will be redirected to your own account. Now, before we go on to our services, I would like to edit my own account. Once you go to my service account, you can choose your own photo as your profile picture. I am here going to choose my own photo and done. The profile photo is updated. The display name, first name, last name, email ID, and phone number is taken from your Google account. If you don't have your phone number linked to your Google account, you can just simply type it here. For the vehicle details, I'm just going to put on the vehicle that I use. You can put down your address if you choose to, or you can keep it empty if you want. For the purposes of this demo, I'm going to keep it empty. I just click on update info and it is done. Now for your wallet. In the My Wallet section, you can choose to save your payment methods. You can choose to save your debit cards, your credit cards, and even your UPI IDs if you wish to. Since we also have an option for payment after the service, we will let this be for now. Let's go to My Bookings. Here you can check out the services that we provide. Here you can see two types of services: doorstep servicing and in-store servicing. Doorstep servicing is where our technical expert comes to your house and repairs or services your electric two-wheeler. And in-store servicing is where you will have to come to our service center to get this done. For the purposes of this demo, let's choose doorstep servicing. I will click on doorstep servicing. Here it shows me all the deliverables of doorstep servicing. Once you visit our website, you can go through these in your own time. For now, I will just click on request to book. I want this to be done on 5th of October at, let's say, 5 p.m. You automatically get the name of our technician who is available at that time. For this time, you are going to get our technician Arun Vishwakarma. You click on next and you fill out some basic information. You have to put down your address, For the purposes of this demo, I'm putting a demo address, the name or model of your electric two-wheeler, and the problems that you're currently facing. For example, let's say range issues. If you have any instructions for our technician, you can put them down here. Done. Now just click on request to book and it is done. You can also add this to your Google Calendar, but for now, I will just go back to my bookings. As you can see, your booking has been updated in your account and the status currently says pending. Once we approve this, it will say approved. If you want to cancel it, you can cancel it. If you want to reschedule it, you can also reschedule it. This is the services section. Once our service is done, you will get a payment link by which you can make easy payments. Now, let's look at the reselling section. If you own an old electric two-wheeler and you want to sell it, then we've got your back. All you gotta do is upload the information about your electric two-wheeler. After that, our team will come to your place and verify these details, and then we will try and find a perfect customer for you according to your needs. All you have to do is click on the Get Started button, which will redirect you to a simple contact form, which you will have to fill. I will just fill it here. This is my address. This is my phone number. Let's say I own an electric scooter. You have to put how old your vehicle is. I'll say it's less than 3 years. 300 kilometers driven. Expected sales price is 20,000 rupees. And finally, you have to upload some of the photos of your vehicle. I will just upload these photos. And done. You click on next. You submit the CAPTCHA and your form has been submitted to us. You will also get an email notification about this submission and our team will get back to you with other details that you need to do. This was the reselling section. Let's go to restoration. If you own a broken down two-wheeler and you want to convert it into a brand new electric vehicle, we've also got your back. All you have to do is submit the requirements like you did in reselling. Our team will look at your requirements and once we get your approval after providing you with the quotation, we will start restoration of your old two-wheeler. Once you are satisfied with our work, we will deliver it to you. In order to get started, you again have to fill out a simple form. Here you have to give your name, your email address, your phone number, the type of vehicle that you want to restore, the brand, the model, how old your vehicle is, kilometers driven, your expected top speed in kilometers per hour, your approximate budget, and you upload the photos like before. Similar to the previous process, you just have to fill in the CAPTCHA and once our team receives your request, we will evaluate it and get back to you with a proper quotation. This is it. These are the three pillars of our platform and we will keep adding more functionalities as we go. Thank you for your time.